The Ogopogo, a legendary creature of Okanagan Lake in the heart of British Columbia, Canada, lies Okanagan Lake, a place of serene beauty and ancient mystery.
15 meters long, swimming in Okanagan Lake last week.
A place of serene beauty and ancient mystery. For centuries, the waters of this lake have been home to a legendary creature known as the Ogopogo, a giant, snake-like animal that has captivated the imagination of many. What is the Ogopogo?
Okanagan Lake is the largest of 5 interconnected freshwater fjord lakes in the Okanagan Valley in British Columbia. For decades, people claim to have seen a large serpent-like monster swimming in the lake. People claim it's nearly 50 feet in length, dark in color, and said to move at incredible speeds, coiling its body in vertical undulations like a large snake.
The Ogopogo is a legendary lake monster described as a serpentine creature with smooth dark skin, up to 15 meters in length. It is known for its incredible speed and powerful tail, which it uses to propel itself through the water with remarkable agility. This creature has been a subject of fascination and numerous sightings over the years, drawing both locals and tourists to the lake in hopes of catching a glimpse of it.
Be in relation to a leg or a wing. It appears to be some sort of aquatic bird, whether it be a goose or a duck or something like that.
Whether a duck, a goose, or Ogopogo itself, the photo continues to keep the legend of the mysterious lake monster alive and well.
The origin of the Ogopogo legend. The legend of the Ogopogo originates from First Nations folklore, specifically from the Sioux people of the Okanagan Valley. The name Ogopogo was popularized in 1924 after an English music hall song, and it has since become a significant part of local culture and tourism. The Sioux people originally called the creature Na'awik, meaning sacred spirit of the waters, and it was revered as a protector of the lake and its inhabitants.
It wasn't until we got home, we got looking at it and zoomed in on it that we were like
Puzzled.
The horns are those, what if we can call them that, so the nodules.
Yeah.
Oh, at least 3 feet.
Notable sightings of the Ogopogo. The history of the Ogopogo is filled with numerous reported sightings. One of the earliest recorded sightings was by Susan Allison in 1872, who described seeing a dinosaur-like creature in the lake. Over the years, there have been frequent sightings.
Say, diameter-wise, as you put it, I don't think I could put my arms around it. Like a dinosaur, I guess. It was like a giant.
These sightings have contributed to the enduring fascination with the creature. Impact on local culture and tourism. The Ogopogo has become a cultural icon and a significant tourist attraction in the Okanagan Valley. It has been featured in various media, including video games and documentaries, and has inspired numerous attempts to prove its existence. The creature has also been celebrated with a large plaster statue in Kelowna's waterfront park, making it a central part of local folklore and heritage. The legend has attracted visitors from around the world, boosting local tourism and fostering a sense of community.
Yeah, there's something in the water. What is it?
Imagine a big head thing.
Come on, let's see.
Like I dare you to go get on the kayak.
In conclusion, the Ogopogo is more than just a legendary creature. It is a symbol of the rich cultural heritage and natural beauty of the Okanagan Valley.
Of mysterious creatures dwelling in the depths of the lake. The local Indian tribes had always respected the creatures and would offer a small animal sacrifice before crossing the lake. According to Indian folklore, those who didn't offer the sacrifice had been pulled underwater by the animal, never to be seen again.
Its legend continues to captivate hearts and minds, ensuring its place in the annals of Canadian folklore for generations to come.